friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you the game space features what got added in the Realme X2 device after updating to the Realme UI, friends. So this is a Realme X2 phone, and recently the Realme UI update I have received in the phone. So each and every feature got updated, friends, in the Realme X2. So I thought of doing the video for everything. And if you want to know what application which makes this kind of animations, do subscribe to my channel, friends. Very soon I'll be posting the application, and stay tuned even by checking the playlist of best Android apps of the week. So I'll be posting plenty of useful Android apps of the week, friends, so which will be very useful for you all. So you can search in the list. So in this playlist you'll find plenty of useful applications, friends. So where you can get iPhone type control panel, or even installing the LED notification light, which a lot of users are asking me how you can do that, because the Realme X2 doesn't have any LED notification light, and this is an application which is very useful, friends. So definitely must try this application, which will be very helpful for you all. So now let's get started, friends, in terms of the game space features explaining in the Realme X2 device. So if you want to access the game space, just type game space in the applications. So let me try to close the application and try to open again. So let's see what is the animation, is there any difference or not. And for comparison, let me also take the Realme X2 Pro device, so which is a high-end mobile, and even the Realme X2 Pro has got the Realme UI update. And let's just compare side by side, friends, what are the features it has got and what are the Realme X2 has got. So let's check, is there any difference or not. So same kind of animation is also present in the Realme X2 device. So this is the one thing which I like in the Realme X2 Pro's game space, is that you get this kind of different user interface, friends, in terms of accessing all the games. So even you can hear the sound as well when you switch between the applications, as you can see, friends. So I feel game space in the Realme X2 Pro has got a bit higher features when compared with the normal Realme X2 device. So let me try to open the application, friends, one of the application, and just by sliding up you get different features here, so which are not present in the Realme X2, friends. So if you just swipe up, you will get only the one option, brightness lock. So you are missing 4D vibration and photorealistic enhancement, and automatically adjust the resolution. So these are the features which you are missing in the Realme X2 device, friends. And this is just the comparison side by side, explaining what are the features it got missing in the Realme X2. And one thing is that if you tap on this circle on the left side, you'll get 3 different modes. So which is the low power mode, and balance mode, and the competition mode. So if you select the low power mode, it will try to increase the battery life, friends, while you're playing any game. So if you choose the balanced mode, as you can see, the hours got decrease. And if you choose the competition mode, as you can see, friends, 2.3. So which will use all the memory of the RAM while playing this kind of games. So if you choose the competition mode, and on the right side you'll get this kind of option, blocking the notification or rejecting only calls, or blocking calls and banners, allow the calls and notification. So these 2 options you will get here. And other thing is that if you want to access the screen recordings of any particular game, friends, so no need to go into any MX player or any other gallery. So here one is the best shortcut is that if you long press on the game application, so you'll get this option, friends, screen captures, as you can see. So if you just click on that, it will take you to the videos which you are captured in the game. So similarly for each and every game you'll get this kind of option, friends. So it will take you to the videos what you are recorded, so which is very good, friends, and very convenient as well in terms of accessing all your screen recordings, friends, regarding all the games. So which is very good. And in the Realme X2 device, so let me show you, friends, there is an option switching the layout, as you can see, but in the Realme X2 there is no option for the switching layout. So you'll get 2 different layouts in the Realme X2 Pro, but whereas in the Realme X2 you won't get any kind of layouts, friends. And let's click the settings, and same thing with the settings here, and let's compare side by side what are the different features it got. As you can see, friends, manage my games, both are same. And auto game update Wi-Fi, that is not option, is not present. And network acceleration, which is also present in the Realme X2 Pro device. So this is the overall side-by-side comparison between the game space of the Realme X2 versus the game space of the Realme X2 Pro device. So I just want to compare side-by-side, friends, so I'll get a clear idea what is the difference between mid-range game space and the high-range Realme X2 Pro device. So overall, friends, these are 4D. I find 4 of the options are missing, but it's not that useful. But at least you will get different modes: competition mode, balanced mode, and low power mode while you're saving the battery. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends, iTechGuru, and don't forget to check the playlist in the description for the best Android apps of the week to access this kind of different animation navigation bar. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.